welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Icinga on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Icinga 2 is an open source monitoring tool which looks at your network resources, notifies users of outages, and generates data for reporting. It is a scalable and extensible application. It can monitor even large and complex environments. Now let us see the installation on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Before starting with your installation, the basic requirements is to have LAMP setup in your machine, that is Apache Web Server, MariaDB and PHP. While installing PHP, install it with version 7. After installing your PHP, also install the following modules in your system. Now let us start with the installation. For that, switch to your terminal. Next, open your PHP configuration file location, that is php.ini file in its corresponding location, and change the time zone. Now save the changes and restart your Apache service. Next, you can proceed with the installation of Icinga 2 and its plugin by importing certain repositories. First, I'm importing Icinga key. Next, add Icinga repository. Once you have added with your repository, update it by running the following command. This implies to refreshing all the repositories available inside your machine. And now install Icinga and Nagios plugin. Press Y to proceed this process. After installation, start and enable the service. Now enable it. Next, see the features of Icinga. By default, checker, main log and notification are enabled in it. You can also verify the list by running the following command. This will list out all the enabled and disabled features. These are all the features available for the Icinga 2 which are in disabled state, and this default features are in enabled state. Now install Icinga data output module, proceeding with the following command. Once you are done with the installation, create database credentials by creating a database and specific user. First, I'm creating a database. And I'm proceeding with the root user. In your next step, restore your .sql file towards the created database. And next, make sure you have enabled the installed IDO feature by running the following command. This will state you that the feature IDO-MySQL is already enabled. Next, restart your Icinga service and look for the status which was installed and actively running in your machine. This is how you can install Icinga 2 on your machine. In our next session, we'll see how to install Icinga Web 2. That is a web interface. That is a web interface which is used for monitoring your application. That is your network resources. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.